In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freshsales CRM. By the end, you'll know how to add your leads, manage contacts and deals, track every interaction, and save time with simple automations so nothing slips through the cracks. Let's start by getting people into the system. You can add new leads one at a time, import a CSV if you're moving from another tool, or let Freshsales auto-capture from connected email or a website form. Keep your data clean as you go. Fill in key fields like company, role, and source so you can segment and prioritize later. In Freshsales, a lead is someone you're still qualifying. Once you've confirmed they're a good fit, convert that lead into a contact and, if relevant, link or create an account so all company-level details live in one place. That conversion keeps your pipeline tidy and makes reporting clearer. Next, manage your contacts and deals. Use the list views to search, filter, and sort by things like lead score, last contacted time, or open deals. Saved views make it easy to focus on specific segments, such as warm leads you haven't reached out to this week. When you're ready to pursue an opportunity, open the Contacts page and click Add Deal. Give the deal a memorable name, enter the value, choose the stage that matches your process, and assign an owner. Consistent stages keep your pipeline accurate and help you forecast with confidence. Now, track every interaction so your history is complete. Log calls and notes, send or record emails, and set tasks or appointments right from the contact or deal. This builds a timeline you and your team can rely on to see what happened, what's next, and who owns it. If you connect your email, messages can sync automatically, and you can schedule follow-ups immediately after a call so momentum doesn't stall. Aim to end each touchpoint by creating the next task with a clear due date. Finally, automate the repetitive parts with workflows. You can trigger actions when records are created or updated, or when conditions are met. For example, automatically send a welcome email the moment a new contact is added. Create a follow-up task 2 days later if there's no reply, or update a status when a deal moves stages. Start simple, test with a small segment, and use clear naming so you can maintain automations easily as your process evolves. That's the core of Freshsales. Add and qualify, manage and prioritize, track everything, and automate the busy work so you can focus on closing.